Hello. Hello. Is the screen visible and its clarity? So today we are solving find minimum in rotated sorted array. So they have given an array that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they have rotated for 4 times or 7 times or n times. So after rotating, you need to find the minimum element from the rotated sorted array. So we can directly run a loop and find the min element, and you can return the minimum element which you have found. That is a brute force approach, we can say. So for that you can directly take it is an easy implementation. You can directly take int min equal to then you can run a loop for int plus then you can find the minimum element, that is add dot min of min comma nums of I, and after finding that you can just return the minimum element which you have got, and you can just yeah, everything got accepted. Like so I think we are good to submit that. So our solution is a brute force solution, as I mentioned earlier. So what we can do to optimize this, so whenever you see a question with the name sorted in a whenever you see a name sorted or finding an answer in maximum element in a minimum order, so you can definitely use an approach that is nothing but you can use binary search. So for that, how you can do that? So first I'll be taking an array. I'll be taking an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I am rotating this array 2 times. So that becomes 6, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Check now. If you want to find the minimum element, in the previous approach what we have done is we have run the loop till n, till here, and we found the minimum element in the array and we returned the minimum element. But now we are using binary search. And the time complexity of binary search is O of log n. And another way you can find out what to use is you are solving the question using an O of n time complexity, and you need to reduce the O of n to O of log n. So if you think a solution with O of log n, it is nothing but a binary search where you can apply. So to solve this question, what we are going to do is, we are having a variable we are having an array 6, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So by using binary search we need to solve this question. So in binary search we know that we need to handle low and high, and we need to return the mid value. So for that one, what you can do is, you can take the low as 0 and high as, that is n minus 1, that is the length of array minus 1, and you will be having a variable min with integer dot max underscore value. So you will be first checking, so we will be pointing the low here and high here. So we know that we will be taking another variable, that is mid. So mid is nothing but low plus high by 2, and you can also use low plus low minus high minus low plus high minus low by 2, where you can handle the exception where it goes where it exceeds the integer dot max underscore value. So for that even you can use that as well. So currently I'm using low plus high by 2. In the code we will be using low plus high minus low by 2. So now we'll be writing the indexes of it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the mid will be nothing but 0 plus 5 by 2, which is nothing but 2. So the mid will be standing at 2. And the first thing what we'll be checking is, if nums of low is less than or equal to nums of mid. If it is in that case, if nums of low is less than nums of mid, then we can directly say that as the array is sorted, we will always find the minimum element at nums of low. And there is one more case, that is if nums of mid is less than or equal to high, then what you can do is, you can find the minimum element and you can make it low equal to mid plus 1, and here you can find the minimum element at nums of mid, because if you check from mid to high, everything is in increasing order. So every time you find any of these case is true, you will always find your minimum element at the lowest index or the mid index, and you can make high equal to mid minus 1, and you can at the end you can return the minimum element. So let's do it right now. So we got 2, and we are checking if nums of low is less than nums of 2. No, it's not. Then it will be directly going to the else block, and min equal to nums of mid. We know that every time as it is sorted, we know that the first element at the mid index will always be the lowest index, so the lowest value. So here the nums of mid is nothing but minimum equal to 1, and high will be moving to mid minus 1. So I'll just erase this. Now you got high at 1. Now you got low as 0. Give me a second. Low as 0 and high as 1. Now the mid will be at 0. If you check, low is less than or equal to mid. If nums of low is less than or equal to mid, then it's fine, and it will be going and it will be checking with math dot min of nums of low with minimum element, and the minimum element is here 1 and nums of low is 6. So now it will take the one element and keep it here, and the high will be moving and the low will be moving to mid plus 1. So here, after that it will be checking low and high, and if you check the low and high, which is nothing but mid will be 1 plus 1 by 2. The mid will be 1. Then it will be checking whether nums of low is less than or equal to nums of mid. Yes. Then it will be checking the minimum element. Now the minimum element here is, we know it's 1, and the element present at the nums of mid is 5. 5 and 1, it will be checking which is the minimum element. The minimum element, once again it comes to be 1, so it won't change, and it will be moving low will be moving to mid plus 1. So low is moving to mid plus 1. Now we break it the condition, that is base condition, that is while low is less than or equal to high. Once we break this condition, we will be returning the min. So I'll be writing the code for the question, the implementation which we have done. I'll take this. We know that int low equal to 0 and int high equal to start length minus 1, and I'll take while low is less than or equal to high, and this is the base condition which we are writing now, and we'll be taking the int mid, that is low plus high minus low by 2. Then we'll be taking another variable where we need to store the minimum element. Int min equal to what I can do is int min equal to I'll be taking the max underscore value. It is a dot max underscore value. If nums of low is less than or equal to nums of mid, then what you're gonna do is you'll be checking that min is equal to math dot min of nums of low, and you'll be checking with minimum, and what you need to do is low equal to mid plus 1, else the minimum will be dot min of nums of mid with minimum, and what you're going to do is a equal to mid minus 1. At the end you will be returning the minimum variable. I think we are good to go. Is there any compilation errors? Yeah, you can see everything is passing. I think it's go to submit. Yeah, we have solved the problem of the day, and yeah, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting daily the coding contest videos and all. So So that's all for today. Have a great day.